Welcome back to the Arizona Daily Mix. Pima Medical Institute is telling us about some of the programs they offer to help you find medical career jobs. Linda, we know people are sitting at home right now trying to figure out what their next move in their career or life is going to be. And I like Pima Medical Institute saying, how about the healthcare career for them? Tell me a little about some of the programs you have.
We have multiple programs. We have everything from our four-legged friends, which would be the animal kingdom, and that would be veterinary assistant, veterinary technicians, to our medical fields where we could do everything from having somebody clean the instruments to go into surgery to actually assisting the doctors during the surgery and handing them the instruments. We have medical assisting, medical billing and coding. We have radiology, the nursing program. And in actuality, we have 10 certificate programs and 9 degree programs to meet just about anybody's needs.
Wow. And what's so amazing when I hear from past graduates of Pima Medical Institute, they talk about how it's so rewarding working in the healthcare field, especially right now with everything going on. And they're actually seeing their schooling come into work right now.
Yeah, well, here in the Career Services Department, one of the things I like to refer to is when you enter the medical career field, it's just that, it's a career field, it's not a job. Somebody who's entering is looking to go on to bigger and better things. The nice thing about the medical field is no matter which path you choose, there's endless opportunities for you to go whichever direction you feel with the skills that you've learned. So we like to promote the growth in our students, and we like to say that they're entering a career, not a job. Just because they make a difference in people's lives.
Yeah, it's so incredible. Let's talk about some of the other programs. I know you mentioned a few there, but let's get in depth to some that people are looking at right now. I know nursing is a big one they've been looking at.
Yeah, nursing, and then also there's been a lot of people looking at our DMS program, which is actually the ultrasound program. That's a 2-year program, and students learn everything they need to obtain a job in the ultrasound field. We have phlebotomy, which is one of our quicker programs, but it gets you the experience to get out there and get some of the skills that you need to be able to work in any one of our medical careers. We have medical billing and coding, which is a new one that we are starting to offer in July. I'm really excited about that. It gives you a lot of opportunities not only to work in a building or even to do something at home, which is nice. Being at home is not for everybody, but it's one of those things that as we're changing with the COVID virus out there, it's an option. We have medical assisting and medical administrative assisting, which would allow you to work in the front office or the back office to help people in their time of need. We also have pharmacy technician, patient care technicians. We have paramedics. We have radiology, respiratory therapy, occupational therapy and assistance. Just making sure I'm not forgetting any, because like I said,
there's a lot of programs there that are good.
Yeah.
Wow. Let's talk
dental
about
assisting.
Wow, there's amazing. You said something that's very important. That's people being at home, because I know you've had to make changes with Pima Medical Institute going online. So right now, online classes are available to go through some of these fields, right?
Yeah, we had to adapt. My staff is at home right now working from home. Many of the administrative staff had to start working from home. We also had to have our students go into some classes online, and a lot of their didactic skills we're doing. They're coming onto campus and doing some of it on campus and doing a lot of the classes online. So it was definitely a quick shift, but we did it very smoothly, and students are happy, and we're getting through this pandemic as the best that we can. So
it's great. Linda, thank you for joining us, and let's remind people where they can go to find out more about online classes and classes at Pima Medical Institute.
They can go to pmi.edu, or they can call any one of our campuses to be able to get that information.
Perfect. Thank you, Linda.
Yep. Have a great day.